lang yan.
Feb 14, 2027 at 6 p.m.
Feb 20,
Feb 14,
14,
Valentine's.
Valentine.
Valentine's Day.
At what time?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Bakit 6 p.m.?
Ay, habang nagde-date kayo, di ba?
Okay. Saan ang launch? Cagayan din.
Kagayan. Yung, bakit, Sek? Kasi pag madilim daw, di ba?
At least makikita
Yung light, yung rocket.
Makikita yung rocket.
Oo.
So, hindi ba maganda yon?
Yes.
At one point in time,
Oh.
next year, the country will be united, dreaming of a dream of space. At tapos, during that time, alam namin yung mga rocket scientists noon, magdadasal na. Sana makatulog na sila after noon. But I think it will be successful. And I will not underestimate, sabi nga ni Engineer Renz kanina, mahirap to. I mean, ang kagandahan sa field sa inyo sa grupo namin with the Secretary na we take it with always a positive outlook. We always say, mahirap to, pero sige, kakayanin natin yun. We can do it. Because the people who are supporting us are also putting in the necessary support to get this done. And sana, especially the President. So sana, the whole country can see this for what it is. An opportunity for us to have a great Valentine's in 2027.
Let's